In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you could pair the i7s Bluetooth headset to your iPhone. When you first get them, the two of them are going to be on sync, so you need to sync them together. And the way you do that is, first you make sure you charge them a little bit, and then you press the power button on both of them at the same time. Once the lights start blinking on any of them, you press the button 3 times, so you do that real fast, and then one of them, the light's gonna go off and start blinking blue. That means that the headset paired with the other one, and this one flashing means that it's ready for your phone. So I'm gonna show you how to pair it on your phone. Alright, so on your phone, what you will need to do is you need to go to settings, and then on the iPhone you click on Bluetooth. And then once the i7s Bluetooth headset is blinking, you're gonna see it here on the bottom as i7 TWS. So all you do is press the one on the bottom, wait for it to pair, and it's gonna show connected here on the side, and you'll be able to use both headsets at the same time. Well, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave your comment below, and please subscribe.